In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Alberta. If you need to take care of a traffic ticket and want to do it online, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to go. I'll walk you through the exact path so you can follow along easily and avoid confusion. To begin, open your browser and go to the Alberta Traffic Tickets website at traffictickets.alberta.ca. This is the online portal where you can look up your ticket and move forward with payment. Once the page loads, look for the Pay Fines option and click on it. This will take you to the section designed for handling fine payments online. From there, select Traffic Ticket Service. This is the specific service you'll use for Alberta traffic tickets, so make sure you're choosing the correct option before continuing. On the next screen, click Search by Ticket Number. This is the quickest method if you already have the physical ticket or a copy of it in front of you. Now enter your ticket number. The system expects a 10-character ticket number, so type it in carefully exactly as it appears on the ticket. It's a good idea to double-check the number before moving on, since even one incorrect character can stop the system from finding your record. If you prefer not to type the number manually, or if you want to reduce the chance of entry errors, you can also choose to scan your ticket instead. This option can be helpful if your device has a camera available and the ticket is clear and readable. If you use the scan option, the system will ask you to enter an email address. Type in your email carefully, since this may be used for communication related to your search or transaction. Make sure it's an address you can access easily. Next, review the terms and conditions and agree to them to continue. This is a standard step, but it's important because the site won't let you proceed until that box is checked. After that, click the button to move on to the next step. At this point, you'll be taken forward in the process, where you can continue based on the ticket information the system finds. As a general tip, have your ticket ready before you start, and try to complete the process in one sitting so you don't lose track of your place. That's how to begin paying a traffic ticket online in Alberta. If you follow these steps carefully, the process should be smooth and easy to manage.